Hey everyone, in this video we are learning how to solve the inequalities, and the best part is that it's almost the same as solving the equations. The steps are super familiar, but there is one important rule or one key difference which we absolutely must remember. So let's get started. The first one is 3x plus 2 is less than equal to 23. The goal is still the same. Isolate this variable because I need to find the range of values of x which satisfy this inequality. So isolate this variable, and to isolate this variable we can add, subtract, multiply or divide on both sides just like we do with the equations. Now in this first one I will eliminate this plus 2 first. The opposite operation of plus 2 is minus 2, so let's do minus 2 on both the sides. So I would be getting plus 2 minus 2 is 0, so cancel out each other. So 3x less than equal to 23, take away 2 is 21. Now, in order to eliminate this 3, which is being multiplied by x, I'll do the opposite operation of division on both the sides. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1x is just x. So, x is less than equal to 21 divided by 3 is 7. That means all the values of x which are less than equal to 7 satisfy this given inequality. Pretty much the same the way we do the equations. Now, let's do this one. Minus 7x plus 15 greater than minus 20. I will first eliminate this plus 15 by doing minus 15 on both the sides. So I would be getting this plus 15 minus 15 is 0. So minus 7x is greater than negative 20 added to negative 15 is negative 35. Now, I will be dividing this with minus 7, and of course whatever I do on one side I will do on the another side. But the very important rule in inequalities is that if we multiply or we divide by a negative number, the inequality sign flips. So the moment I divided by negative 7, this x becomes less than minus 35 divided by minus 7 is 5. So all the values which are less than 5 satisfy this given inequality. So this rule that when we divide or multiply by a negative number, the inequality sign flips, means greater than become less than or less than becomes greater than. This is a very important rule when we solve the inequalities. All right. Let's start this one. In this one, I would be using the distributive property. 6 multiplied by minus m will be minus 6m, plus 6 times 3 is 18, less than equal to 5 times minus 2m is minus 10m, plus 5 times 4 is 20. Now, if you will look at this inequality, it has variables on both the sides of inequality. So I would be getting minus 6m. This minus 10m when shifted to that side would become plus 10m, less than equal to this 20 as it is, and plus 18 when shifted that side would become minus 18. Now minus 6m added to 10m would become 4m, less than equal to 20 minus 18 is 2. Divide by 4 on both the sides to eliminate this 4. I would be getting m less than equal to 1 half. So all the values less than equal to 1 half will satisfy this given inequality. In this one, I can see that it's y over 3 minus 11 greater than equal to minus m. The rule is same, like eliminate this plus 11 first of all. So this is 0. So y over 3 is greater than equal to minus 7 added to 11 is 4. And now this 3 is being divided. So when it shift to that side, it will go with the sign of multiplication. So I get 3 times 4. So y greater than equal to 12. So all the values of y which are greater than or equal to 12 is the set of solution for this given inequality. Let's do some more. In this one, there are many x terms which needs to be solved first. So let's do that first. 3x plus 4x is 7x, and this 7 as it is greater than minus x minus 5x will become minus 6x, and minus 2 as it is. Now again, this is an inequality with x term on both the sides. So let's shift all the x terms on one side. So 7x and this minus 6x when shifted over there will become plus 6x, greater than this is minus 2, and this plus 7 when shifted that side would become as minus 7. 7x plus 6x is 13x, greater than negative 2 added to negative 7 is negative 9. Now divide by 13 on both the sides. So x comes out to be greater than minus 9 over 13. So this is the solution set for this inequality. Over here, I will again use a distributive property. 2 times 3x is 6x minus 2 times 5 is 10 less than 4 times 2x is 8x minus 4 times 7 is 28. Again, shift all the constants on one side and variable terms on one side. So 6x minus 8x is less than negative 28. This minus 10 when shifted to that side would become as plus 10. 6x minus 8x is minus 2x less than minus 28 plus 10 will give me minus 18. Again, I am dividing by minus 2. And so x would be greater than this less than sign would flip to greater than sign. So minus 18 divided by minus 2 is 9. So x greater than 9 is the solution set for this inequality. The next one is deals with a little bit of decimals. So 1.5 times 3x, it will give me 4.5x minus 1.5 times 10 will be 15 greater than 1.5x. So I would be shifting this 1.5x on that side with minus sign greater than this minus 15 when goes to that side will become as plus 15. 4.5x minus 1.5x will give me 3x greater than 15. Divide by 3 and x comes out to be greater than 5. 7 less than m over 2 minus 1. Let's shift this minus 1 on this side. So it's 7 plus 1 less than m over 2. 7 plus 1 is 8 less than m over 2. And now this 2 is being divided. M is being divided by 2. So when it will go to that side, it will go with the sign of multiply. So my value of m is greater than 16. That's the solution set for this inequality. Let's do the last set of equations, inequality, sorry, in which we have the coefficients or the constants as the fractions. So now we have to take care of the fractions and a little bit of fraction operations will be in use. So in this first one, I have m minus 3 over 4 less than equal to 7 over 8. So it's this one is easy. It will be m less than equal to 7 over 8. This minus 3 over 4 when shift to that side will become as plus 3 over 4. Now this is just the addition of fractions. So m less than equal to 7 over 8 plus I can make this as 8 by multiplying it by 2. So whatever I will do in the denominator, I will do in the numerator as well. So 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. So m is less than equal to, it will just become 13 over 8. So all the values of m less than or equal to 13 over 8 is the solution for this inequality. Now, in this one, 3x over 4 minus 8 over 12 greater than equal to 5 over 6. I can take this 8 over 12 on that side and then I can use addition of fractions and all those operations. But I want to tell you some other strategy also like 4, 12 and 6, which is the higher, which is the like common denominator. What is the common factor for 4, 12 and 6? Is it 12? Yes. So I will be multiplying each term with 12. So 12 times 3x over 4 minus 12 times 8 over 12 greater than equal to 12 times 5 over 6. Why I have done it? Because now you will see that all the denominators will get eliminated because 4 times 3 is 12 and 3 times 3 is 9x minus 12 divided by 12 is 1. So I am just left with 8 greater than equal to 6 times 2 is 12, 2 times 5 is 10. And see now instead of fractions, I have just my integers as the numbers. So this becomes pretty easy rather than shifting 8 over 12 to that side and then we will add it and all that. So that is also correct and this strategy is also correct. Now it just becomes 9x greater than equal to 10 plus 8. So 9x is greater than equal to 18. Divide by 9 on both the sides. So my value of x comes out to be greater than equal to 2. So all the values of x greater than or equal to 2 satisfy this inequality. Over here, 8 plus 5p is greater than p minus 3 over 2. So this 2 is being divided. So I will shift this 2 on that side and it will be multiplied by 8 plus 5p greater than p minus 3. So 2 times 8 is 16 plus 2 times 5p is 10p greater than p minus 3. This is an inequality with p on both the sides, p terms. So I will be shifting all the variable terms on one side and all the constants on the another side. But when I'm shifting, their signs would change. So 10p minus p is 9p greater than equal to minus 3 added to minus 16 is minus 19. Divide by 9 on both the sides and p comes out to be greater than minus 19 over 9. That's the solution set for this inequality. Over here, again, it's minus 9 over 2 minus 3 over 4x greater than equal to 9 over 14. So what is the common denominator for 2, 4 and 14? So either you can do that strategy or you can simplify the fractions. So if I will take the common denominator as 28 and I multiply all the terms with minus 9, all the terms with 28, I will be getting this. So multiply all the terms by 28 and let's see what do we get. So this is 14 and now 14 times 9 is 9 times 4 36, 9 times 1 9 minus 126 minus this becomes 7. So 7 times 3 is 21 greater than equal to this becomes 14 times 2 is 28 and 2 times 9 is 18. Now this was x, I'm sorry, this was x. Now it is a simple inequality with your whole numbers as the constants or coefficients. So it will become minus 21x greater than equal to 18 and this minus 126 will become plus 126 and now this is minus 21x greater than equal to when I will add these two. So 8 plus 6 14, this one, and now I need to divide it by minus 21 and the inequality sign will flip. So x will be less than equal to 144 over minus 21. When I will solve it in the lowest term, I will be getting it will be divisible by 3. So it is 7 and I will divide both these by 3. So it is 3, 4, 12 and 3, 8, the 24. So that's the solution set for my this inequality. So, thank you for watching. It was a very impromptu video. I just decided to take a few inequalities and explain them. And I hope this is clear to you. Subscribe to my channel, like my video. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.